HDMI Coupler Female Extension. Easily connects two HDMI cables into one HDMI cable for long-distance extension purpose and turn HDMI male port to female port for connecting other devices. Max 4K at 60Hz HDMI Cable Adapter. UGREEN HDMI Female to Female 4K Coupler comply with HDMI 2.0 standard. Supports 4K HDR Pass Through with HDMI 2.0 cable and displays resolution up to 3840 by 2160, 2560 by 1600, 2560 by 1440, 1920 by 1200, 1080p, 720p, so you will capture every detail. Audio-video sync. This HDMI female adapter supports audio return channel, HDMI Ethernet Channel, 3D and 7.1.5.1 Dolby digital sound pass-through for you to surround by rich sound. Wide compatibility. This HDMI coupler for HDMI cable support HDMI signals from devices such as TV box, TV stick, Xbox 360, Xbox One, PS5, PS4, PS3, Blu-ray Player, PC, laptop for HDTV, monitor, projector and more. Durable quality. With gold-plated connectors that resist corrosion while offering optimum signal transfer for better viewing experience. Package included. 2-pack female to female 4K HDMI adapter. Top reviews from the United States. Solved a problem. It is very difficult to access the back of my TV, so when I ditched Dish Network, I left the HDMI cable connected to the TV. My streaming stick had the wrong end to plug into the cable and this adapter solved that. Picture from the stick is perfect when using the device with my cable.